Hey everyone, Harrison from Pinnacle West here. Have you ever wondered just how tightly you can fit everything you need for a spray foam rig? Well, today we're diving into just that with the Reactor 2 E-XP2i, where an I stands for integrated. This compact powerhouse offers everything you need in one portable package, and it's easily movable with a forklift. We'll start off with a quick overview and then delve deeper into each component for a clearer understanding. First up is the ADM. To the left, you'll notice the pressure gauges for your transfer pumps and gun, with the display and controls for the generator above. Right below that whole assembly is the proportioner, which in this case is the E-XP2. Quickly highlight the pumps on either side, B on the right, A on the left, and then as we move down, you'll see your pump fluid bottle. Then on the left side of the unit, we find the air dryer. And just below is our battery, which is our power storage. As we move over, we see our power source, which is a 22 kilowatt generator. Our fuel source, which in this case is a diesel tank, is located just next to the generator. And then right above that whole assembly is our compressor. Now, having skimmed through the vital components in this setup, let's dive a little bit deeper to understand their functionalities and their connections with each other. We'll start off by revisiting the front side with the ADM and pressure gauges. The ADM, or Advanced Display Module, is a unique feature to Reactor 2. This allows for precise control and monitoring of pressure and heat settings for optimal results because, of course, different chemicals, either spray foam or coatings, will require different settings to make sure that they spray how you want them. The analog pressure gauges to the left of the ADM and on the proportioner itself complement this by offering a traditional monitoring method. In the case of the pressure gauges located just to the left of the ADM, these control the A and B side pumps respectively, and the spray foam gun. Finally, we have the display and the on and off switch for the generator, which allows us to monitor the power that it's outputting. Moving down, we encounter the E-XP2 proportioner. This machine is capable of outputting up to 28 pounds of spray foam per minute, and it's also adept at spraying coatings like truck bed liner thanks to its high pressure pumps. In fact, the XP in its name stands for extra pressure. This proportioner, equipped with heaters and dual pumps, ensures a perfect 1-to-1 ratio mix of isocyanate and resin for the ideal blend. The pump fluid ball down below plays a critical role in maintaining the A-side pump's efficiency and preventing crystallized ISO buildup. Transitioning to the back, we first see the 22 kilowatt generator, which powers all of these components. The adjacent diesel fuel tank supplies the needed fuel. Above this, the air compressor operates the transfer pumps, which, while not part of this integrated unit, are crucial in transporting chemicals from the storage drums to the proportioner. The compressor also supplies air to the proportioner, which goes all the way through to the hose of the gun, where it aids in mixing and propelling the material. Next, we have the air dryer, which is an essential and vital component when you consider the sensitivity of A-side chemical, which is called isocyanate. And isocyanate is very susceptible to moisture, and that moisture can lead to crystal formation. And these crystals can clog up the pores and filters in your spray foam machine, which can affect the quality of your foam or coatings significantly. Finally, we conclude with the fuse box and battery, which really rounds off our power management system and this machine as a whole. And there you have it, the Reactor 2 E-XP2i in all its glory. If you're wondering where to get one, unfortunately you may be out of luck as these were recently discontinued by Graco. However, Pinnacle West is your one-stop shop for all things spray foam and coatings. We're here to guide, sell, and we can even custom build you a rig that perfectly fits your needs and requirements, especially if you have a small truck. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights right here.